All right, everybody, welcome to break number 819. Yeah, it is a good game so far and fun Chase Raiders. Matthew, we have mixers to do this weekend. And in order to do those, I have some product I need to turn around, so I'm taking a sacrifice. I had to planned on breaking during the day, but my wife had me babysitting. Yeah, I bet you'd like to see one more touchdown pass. What's going on, Paul? Chiefs looking like they're looking like the Chiefs before the Pittsburgh game. Questionable calling that first touchdown Raiders, and probably should have had a turnover. Justin Houston ripping the ball away. Could be a little different. So being up 6, I'm happy with that. All right, 3 boxes. That means 6 packs. 42 cards total. Hopefully the second half they can put them away. Raiders get the ball first. From the Raiders' perspective, they need to drive. They at least need to change the field position. They go 3 and out. That's a rough start. And that would be the Chiefs' goal on the opposite side. Get them off the field quick. Put up another score. Make it a 2-score game. Let's go. You don't care to who, huh? Alright, we're just going to get a whole stack of cards out here. Because, why not? There's a break of absolute open. It's 2 boxes. If any of you all are interested. We'll just leave everything as we go. Why not? Good luck, everybody. Taco Charlton, rookie for the Cowboys. First hit is D.D. Westbrook for the Jaguars, RPA, numbered to 75. Jaguars hit going to Ed Lammers. This one is Josh Reynolds, Extreme Rookies. God, what's that numbering? 7 out of 10. Struggling to read that. First hit, Nick, was D.D. Westbrook. Too much D.D., I agree. It has been a little too much. If he does something, we'd probably disagree with that. I haven't really seen him do anything yet. Gary and Conley for the Raiders, number to 299. Next one up is Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins, numbered to 75. Falcons, Matt Ryan. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. Another Henry Owens. We hadn't pulled Henry in so long. I was disappointed to see his face. Jordan Willis, Bengals, rookie. It's almost fun to see it again, but not when it takes away a hit. Devontae Booker's next for the Broncos. Nice low-numbered autograph. 4 out of 10. It's a cool card. Going to Josh Hallbrook. Joe Williams. I had my own the other day, and I pulled the, is it Jamal Williams? For the Packers. I don't like pulling him. Texans, Deontay Foreman. Rookie Jumbo Materials. That card going to Ed Lammers. I get the Texans and the Jags. Pulled the second rookie from both of them. Next is blue Alshon Jeffrey, number to 199. Jason Witten, Cowboys, number to 199. Adrian Peterson, Saints. Falcons, Julio Jones. Tyus Bowser, Ravens rookie. I don't feel like we've ever pulled him. I would have recognized that name. Bowser from Mario. Bengals. Ooh, Icky Woods. Exalted Signatures. Number 2. It's 20 out of 20. Mike Mareka gets to do the Icky Shuffle. You're required, Mike, to go do the Icky Shuffle now that we pulled this card. That's a cool name. Cool card. Next up for the Cowboys, and followed by Dan Bailey. Panini should only be allowed to put in kicker relics if it's a bonus hit. Number to 10 for the Cowboys going to Chris Pfeffer. If you're a Cowboys fan, though, hey, I guess that's kind of cool. Getting your cold cuts on. Jordan Howard, number to 299 for the Bears. The chat usually lags about at least 10 seconds. I don't see your comments till then. Tyreek Hill, Chiefs, number to 199. Next up, Tom Brady, Patriots. Colts, T.Y. Hilton. David Njoku, rookie, Browns. Next hit, we got a printing plate after this one. For the Buccaneers, Chris Godwin, number to 49, 48 out of 49. Going to Shannon Osborne, traded into an RPA. There's another one, too much Godwin. Interesting. Then we have John Elway, XR 1 of 1 printing plate, the magenta plate. Very cool. For the Denver Broncos, that one's going to Josh Hallbrook. Nice break, Josh. The Booker and the Elway 1 of 1. I couldn't see who it was when I saw that, but I thought it might be pretty interesting. That should be a bonus. That doesn't count as a hit. For the Lions, Matthew Stafford out of 75. And Malik Hooker, Colts, number to 299. That's creepy, yeah. Black and white statue. Alex Smith, Chiefs. We got points coming up. Kirk Cousins, Redskins. So the 101 kind of a bonus, but the points probably take away one of our hits. Chad Hansen for the Jets, rookie. Although with what you can sell him for, I mean, Probably somewhat equal to a hit, especially being 250. We'll randomize that when we're done. Corey Davis is next. Rookie Jumbo Materials, number to 49. Game's back on. I'm a little delayed, so it's not quite on where I'm at. Antonio Brown, number to 199. Titans hit. He distracted me. Going to Paul Stout. He got the Titans as a fan. Number to 49. Antonio Brown, but thank you, Virginia, for letting me know. Steelers, Antonio Brown was out of 199. Jonathan Allen, Redskins, out of 299. And Chiefs, Eric Burry. Why am I breaking during the game? Because I got to turn around some products so I can get more in for the weekend for a mixer and whatnot. Seahawks, Russell Wilson. I wouldn't do it, but I just kind of needed to. Rams, Gerald Everett. The case has kind of slowed down the week. Zay Jones, Bills, RPA, numbered to 199. Any Bears, Shannon, nothing to note. Bills hit, going to John Strong. Good tackle. Just kicked off. Mike Singletary, there's your Bear. It's not a hit. Cool insert, number to 49. Thanks, or Halloween's coming. Shannon, I think that was our last hit. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals, out of 299. Marshawn didn't realize that was a referee. Keenan Allen, Chargers, number to 199. And Tyler Eifert for the Browns. Last card coming up is Andrew Luck for the Colts. They haven't skunked yet. There's a 250. I'm going to figure out who that goes to. Alright, base cards. Ooh, big run. All these numbered ones. Nice color. I like those. And I mixed 3 of them up with the hits. Yeah, they're the hits. We'll go through them in a second after we go for 250 points. Let's figure out a winner for that. It's 2 first downs. Just stop them. Sorry, I'm being distracted again. Gonna roll for 6 or more since it's alphabetical. 3's not enough. And we got an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. Good luck. 8. After 8 times, Panthers, Lee Roberts is on top. Lee, you won the 250 points. Put that in with your stuff there. Congrats. Let's see the hits real quick. Zay Jones, RPA Bills. Titans, Corey Davis Relic. 101, John Elway. Printing plate, magenta. Chris Godwin, RPA for the Bucks. I'm about to get disconnected. Cowboys, Dan Bailey. Ickey Woods, autograph. Donta Foreman, patch. Devontae Booker, autograph. D.D. Westbrook, RPA. It says I'm reconnected now. I was shuffling through and it told me I got disconnected. Westbrook RPA, Devontae Booker autograph, Deontay Foreman, Icky Woods, Dan Bailey, Chris Godwin, 101 Elway, Corey Davis, Zay Jones, and back to the numbered ones. The NFL Shield last card. NFL Shield. Kind of lost. Last card was a penny sleeved card, right? Tyler Eifert, NFL Shield. I think he was the last one. Nothing special that I'm seeing. I believe that was the last one. Maybe I don't think so. Let me know if there's something. The video should be up. If the cutout part cut out anything you need to see, I'll have it uploaded to YouTube. I'm having a little bit of technical issues lately. Gonna go watch the game. 2 boxes of Absolute open. I'll see you.